We're running the Primeweld Cut-60 through its paces for the first time. It's plugged into 220 volts. Welcome back to Fixity Fix.
Fixity Fix!
Ground clamp is connected, and the torch. I have 120 psi line running in. I think I've set it to 110. The Cut-60 doesn't come with a line dryer, and I think that's an advantage because you can pick your own. I've got a Campbell Hausfield line dryer here. I've never plasma cut before, so this could be a big failure. We'll just have to wait and see. I'm using the Eastwood portable collapsible plasma cutter and welding table. The ground connector from the Cut-60 is connected to a piece that I'm going to cut, and you can see that I've used my angle grinder to get some bare metal on the piece. I'm going to attempt to cut it right here. The switch is in the back. It's a 1/5 of an inch piece, and so I've got it set to right about 29 amps, 30 amps, and 40 psi. So we need to test the set air just to make sure that it drops to 40. Okay, so that's going to stay at 40 for air blowing through here. Not bad for a first try. It works. I need work because that's a really sorry cut, but we'll just dress that up the old-fashioned way with the grinder, and I'll practice. I'm going to make a second run to square off the cut and get a little more practice. Much better. Gonna let the post flow complete before I turn it off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, clean cut, minimal dross. I had a little angle going, but that's, you know, just being new at it.
Nice.
Boy, this thing does the job.